Welcome to Gael-Talk, traditional tales from the Scottish Highlands.
Come nearer, children, and sit close by the fire. There is a tale of old for you tonight, a tale of wonder and wisdom. This is Gael-Talk. There was once a young man. He went to Sgìre Mo Cheallaig to seek a wife. He married a farmer's daughter, and she, her mother, and her father lived with him. One day, when they were cutting peat, the four of them went to the moor. They sent the young wife home to prepare the food. When she went into the house, she saw an old broken ladder hanging above her. She began to cry. She thought that if the ladder fell on her, it might kill her. When she was gone too long, her mother went to look for her. She found her daughter crying, and when she heard why, she began to cry as well. After a while, the father came in, and he did the same. That night the young man came home, tired and hungry. He found the three of them crying. He said that the ladder had not fallen at all. After they had eaten, he said that he would not stop until he found three others more foolish than they were. He set out on the road and came to a house where three women were spinning. They told him that the people of that place were so foolish they would believe anything. The young man said that he had a ring and would give it to the woman who best deceived a man. When the first man came home, his wife told him that he was ill. He went to bed. Then she told him that he was dead, and he lay there without moving. When the second man came home, his wife told him that he was not himself at all. He believed her, and went out into the wood, uncertain who he was. When the third man came home, he went to bed. The next morning, the coffin of the dead man was carried past the window. He jumped up looking for his clothes, but his wife told him that he was wearing them already. He ran out after the coffin. When the bearers saw a man running after them, they fled. The coffin was left alone. Then the second man came out of the wood. After that, the dead man in the coffin spoke, and everyone ran away. The wife won the ring. The young man said to himself that these three were as foolish as the three at home. On the road back, he saw a boat with 12 men in it. When they counted themselves, they said that one man was missing. Not one of them was counting himself. The young man said that he would find the missing man. He made them sit beside one another. Then he touched them lightly with a little stick, one after another, and told each one to remember that he himself was there as well. They were ashamed, but pleased. Farther on, he saw people draining a loch to get fish. All they found was a great eel. They thought it was a monster, and seized it to carry it to the sea. On the road, he saw four people trying to put a cow up onto the roof of a house. They wanted it to eat the grass growing there. He told them it would be easier to bring the grass down. Then he brought the grass to the cow. At last, he saw people blaming a horse. The cow was in the cart, yet they were punishing the horse. That was as foolish as anything he had seen on the journey. That was how the people of Sgìre Mo Cheallaig were. Very foolish, but maybe not so different from people everywhere. There you have it. Some say it happened just so, but if you don't believe it, you can go and ask them yourself, though I wouldn't trust the answer you got.